If you want to avoid getting stuck with a dead battery on a vehicle, then today's video is for you. Check out what I'm going to show you. If you are new to the channel, my name is William, and I invite you to hit that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell for future videos. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back and all of your support. And everybody, please hit that like button so YouTube will share this video out. Now, let's get into this product review, and let me show you a product that I think everybody should have at least one of on them at all times. As many of you know, the charge line on our RV had stopped working, and we had the issue of our battery dying. I just shared out a video on the solar trickle charger that we used to get us through until we could get that charge line fixed. I will share that link to that video here so you can go check it out if you have not seen it already to see that amazing product. So the trickle charger, while a great product, did not solve the issue of the few times that we arrived at places and our battery was just flat out dead. But the product that I'm about to share with you did accomplish just that, and I'm very glad that we had it. So what we bought was this 12-volt portable jump starter. This thing has been awesome. Not only do I think that it's a great product for the dead battery issue that it resolves, but it has several other issues as well, and the biggest thing that I think it brings to the table is safety. Being stuck in some places with a dead battery can be very dangerous, whether it's the location, maybe not a good neighborhood, whatever the case may be. It can create a level of danger in certain environments. Being a father of 2 daughters, I can guarantee you that my kids are going to be getting this exact product for either a Christmas gift, an upcoming birthday, whatever the case may be, but they will be owning this now that I've used it and I've seen the importance and the value that it brings. This thing is small and cheap. It's a very compact item. I know for us RVers, we don't have a lot of room to carry stuff around with, but this product just works. You can throw it in your car and you're good to go. This product is available in 3 different colors, and that is black, orange, and pink. It is also fully waterproof, dustproof, or drop proof, so it's pretty much good to go in any environment, and it's pretty hard to damage from what I have seen so far. It can jump any vehicle up to a 4.0 liter in gas and a 2.0 liter in diesel. So that is another cool plus, is that it does provide enough power to jump off a diesel dead battery. The jump starter also comes with a USB connection to be able to charge any of your devices, such as the iPhone, the iPad, whatever you want to do, any kind of iDevice that you may have, or any kind of other phone or product that you may have that you could charge up with this thing. It's really, really cool. This product also has a built-in LED flashlight that has 3 modes on it, which is flashlight, SOS, or a strobe style light. So I thought that was kind of cool, that if you're doing this at night, it does have a light so you can see to hook up and know what you're doing. It also comes with what they call smart clamps, which is really cool. It's just kind of set up on a computer program, so it won't let you overcharge your car. It won't let you do any damage. And I'm actually going to read off some of the things here that it'll do for you. So it helps you avoid short circuits, overcharging, over temperature, over discharge, over voltage, or over current. So that's some stuff that's built into the charging mechanism on this. Like I say, it is really, really neat, and I really like how it works. So now for the big question is, how much does this thing cost? It'll run you about $40 to $42 depending on which color you buy. The black was $40, that's what we bought, and I'll show it to you here in just a second. And I think the pink is the most expensive, and it runs around $42. So with all that said, I will now show you what the product looks like. So we will unbox it here, and then I will also do a demo to show you how it works on the car and how easy this thing is to use. You know me, I'm all about simple, and anything that's simple is what I want. So now I'm going to open this box up and pull out the device. This is what it's going to look like when you get it. And this is the actual device. So it's probably about 3 or 4 inches long, about 3 or 4 inches wide. Very easy to use. So if you want to know how much charging power you have, it has a light display here. You just push this button, and I know that's probably hard to see in this light, but it will actually light up across there to show you. And this is also your flashlight button. So you just hold down the power button, and of course that's going to be harder to see here because we're in the daylight, but the flashlight will come on. It does do an SOS and everything else. But so your flashlight is actually located right here. That's where you'll see that at. And then you'll just peel back this little piece here, and this is where all the connections are. You got a little C charge here, and that is for actually charging the device up. And then you got your USB device here for charging your products that you would want to charge up. And then you've actually got the smart clamps here. So this is where your smart clamps will go to jump off your car. So again, a very small, compact design, very easy to use product, and we really like it a whole lot. I will get down into the box here. So here is the charging wire that comes with it. So there's the C clamp there, or the C charge. There is the plug-in device. Again, very easy, just plug it in and plug it in. So don't get much more simple than that. And here is the smart clamps that it comes with, and I will show you how these hook in during the demo. But again, you know, negative to black, positive to red, and then you just plug these into the device. And again, I'll show you how that does. But all the computerized, the programming part of this is in here, and I will show you all that again when we get into it. And then the last thing that is in here, of course, is your directions, and you'll probably want to read through those, although I did not, to be honest. I don't like reading directions. So now we will move on to the demo, and we will show you how this product actually works out on your car. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the demo. So I'm going to hook this to this and show you how it hooks to the car. So I'm going to take this, open it up, and that's just a little seal piece at the bottom. And then I'm going to take this and plug it in here, and this little light right here is just showing that it is ready to be used. So at that point, you're going to bring it over to your dead battery. And remember, this thing has several safety features on it to keep any overcharging from happening, because our battery is not actually dead. So now I'm going to plug this up to the negative first, and then I'm going to plug it up to the positive. So at this point, you'll hear a little pop. That means it is ready to go. I'm going to come around to the front of the car, and you've got about 30 seconds to get this done. So I'm going to start the car now, and that is all there is to it. So I have really enjoyed sharing this product out with y'all today. This is one that I really believe in, and one that I think is truly a must-have for everyone. At least have one per car, that way you know you're safe, you know you're protected. With the issues that we had with our charging wire, the few times that we used this product, it worked like a charm, so I'm really happy with it. If you have any questions on this product, please feel free to reach out to me at any time. You know, you can email me, you can leave it in the comment. The link to this product will be in the description below, so be sure to check it out if it's something you're interested in, and it will be my Amazon affiliate link that will take you straight to it. I will also include a playlist somewhere up here that you can click on to check out other videos on the channel that you may be interested in. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch the video today. I really hope you enjoyed this. I really did enjoy sharing this one out with y'all. Thank y'all a lot. Bye.